Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Fidelity Rewards Visa credit card. If you could earn 2% cash back on literally everything you buy and invest it automatically, would you take it? Well, that's exactly what the Fidelity Rewards Visa credit card promises. But is it actually one of the best cashback cards in 2025 or just another overhyped finance product? Today I'm going to break it all down for you. The features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's truly worth it. Let's get started. The Fidelity Rewards Visa credit card is designed for one very specific type of person, someone who wants to turn everyday spending into long-term wealth. Unlike most credit cards that focus on travel points, shopping perks, or rotating categories, this card keeps things simple and strategic. Here's the core idea. Every time you swipe this card, you earn 2% cash back on every purchase. No categories, no limits, no complications. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of just giving you cash back to spend, Fidelity encourages you to deposit these rewards directly into an investment account, like a brokerage account, retirement fund, or even a college savings plan. So over time, your everyday spending could actually grow into something much bigger. Now let us talk about the main features of this card. We start with the unlimited 2% cashback. Yes, this is the headline feature. You earn 2 points per dollar spent, and that equals 2% cashback on all purchases. No categories, no caps, no expiration. This makes it one of the simplest reward systems out there. Next is the investment-based reward system. With this, you can automatically deposit rewards into Fidelity accounts. It works with retirement, with brokerage or savings accounts, and can even split rewards across multiple accounts. This turns your credit card into a wealth building tool, not just a spending tool. Flexible redemption options. If investing is not your thing, you still have options. You have statement credits, travel rewards, gift cards, and merchandise. But here's the catch. You get the full 2% value only when you deposit into a Fidelity account. No fee structure. That's another major strength. No annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no reward caps or expiration. Travel and visa signature perks. You get a global entry or TSA pre-check benefits, which is up to $100 in reward points when you apply for either global entry or TSA pre-check. You get travel accident insurance, you get lost luggage reimbursement, and you also get reimbursed for 100% of fraud losses due to unauthorized account use. That's security and convenience. Now let us talk about the pricing of this card. As earlier mentioned, there are no annual fees, also no foreign transaction fees, but it has an APR of around 16.49 to 26.49% and a balance transfer fee of around 3 to 5%. Also, as part of the security, you have on-the-go mobile access and mobile wallet support, which includes Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Now, what are the pros and cons of using the Fidelity Rewards Visa credit card? First, the pros. Unlimited 2% cashback on everything, no annual or foreign transaction fees, and rewards can be invested automatically. No caps or expiration on rewards. How about the cons? You need a Fidelity account to maximize rewards, and no welcome bonus or introductory APR offers. So, is the Fidelity Rewards Visa credit card worth it? Honestly, yes, but only for the right person. This is one of the best set it and forget it cashback cards out there. But at the same time, it's not flashy. There's no big welcome bonus, there's no 0% introductory APR, and there's no complicated reward system. So if you're someone who values financial growth over short-term perks, this could easily be one of the best cards you can own. And that's it on the review of the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Citi Double Cash Card, Chase Freedom Unlimited, and Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.